How to tag someone in a Facebook post. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, tap on the status box as shown. Now, type in a status over here. And then, swipe up on the screen. Select Tag People. From here, search for and select the people you want to tag on this post. After selecting, tap on Done below. Then, go to the top right corner and tap on Post. You have now successfully tagged your friends to this post. You can also untag them from here anytime you want. Following these steps, you can easily tag someone in a Facebook post. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.